Hey everyone, welcome back to Marina Odin. As you know, I am a fashion collector, so yet again we have another fun Chanel unboxing. We are about to do this beautiful Chanel unboxing. I cannot wait. I'm actually going to be doing this unboxing a bit different than what I would usually do. What I decided to do is just kind of give you guys a more visual of me actually unboxing it. A lot of people love watching direct unboxing of like people opening the box because that's where the excitement is, and I think that this is a very beautiful bag, so it kind of deserves that type of presentation. So I'm definitely excited to show you guys the new handbag that is going to be joining my handbag collection. And this one is just gorgeous. Let's jump into the unboxing. Enjoy. Let's go ahead and show you guys what I got. So it is a classic. This is exciting. Let's slowly open this. This, I would say, is not what I would normally choose. But like I said, this is a classic, and this time around I was going for a classic. Oh, sorry. It's heavy. Ooh. Move this bag away. Okay, let's do this. So this unboxing is a bit different from what I usually would do. So I have my receipt here, and you guys to get a nice little experience while I actually unbox it. So I've seen the bag, but I have not opened it ever since I got it. Let me bring you guys closer. Now is the fun part. Rip it open. And it comes with this beautiful white dust bag. Let's reveal this gorgeous color. So that's basically what I fell in love with. It is the large classic. And what I fell in love with is the color. It's I would say an off-white. It has like a hint of pink. Sorry about my nail. One of them chipped off. So this is like a very classy color. It's not white and it's not nude. It's like a off-white, I would say, and it is one of their more exclusive colors, and they come out, I think, here and there exclusively seasonal. And what I love is this gold is so beautiful with this color, and like I said, this is in a large and it's in caviar. I could just see myself wearing it with a lot, but I have been debating about the color ever since I purchased the bag, but we'll talk about that later when I show you guys how it looks. So as you guys know, this large comes with a double flap. So it opens like so. Let's take these off so you guys can see. Woo. Doing the opening fully. Chanel created a place for the lipstick holder, and then some pockets here. And then we have the authenticity card, which comes with all the Chanel bags. Just very gorgeous, very classy. I mean, it's like a color and classy bag you just can't get your hands on every day. It's just beautiful. And the gold detailing is beautiful. And what I love is that it's not like a super gold. It's a soft gold tone, if that makes sense. See the details there? It's just very beautiful. And again, it has a beautiful big pocket there. And then Chanel. And I love how there's a big room or anything you'd love to put in it. It's gorgeous. It's like a blush white, if I would have to describe it. The details are just gorgeous. I can't wait to show you guys how it looks on. I'll just do a quick show. So you can wear it like this, and you can also just wear it long, but I would probably not do that. You could wear a crossbody, so that's what I like about this large, that you could wear a crossbody. And it's just such a classy color. The only concern that I have is the color transfer on these guys. On this specific color, although it is caviar, this color does still tend to be a more delicate and sensitive color. So I'm kind of debating if I will be keeping this, because originally I wanted to get the Chanel 19, but I ended up getting this pink. It's absolutely worth it. I was looking for something in my collection that I will carry on for years and years, and will be a great vintage piece. If you guys have watched my videos prior to this, you guys know how much I love pieces that could end up being vintage pieces. So yeah guys, this is the Chanel Classic double flap in large, and with the gold hardware. It's a little battle, but I will let you guys know which bag I was thinking of getting, and then I ended up getting this, but I'm still debating. But I will show you guys what it looks like just with a full outfit on, and hopefully you guys could help me decide if I should keep this bag or not. I absolutely love the color. It's gorgeous, classy color. So let me show you guys what it looks like on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and now let's go ahead and talk about this beauty. I will show you guys the structure like I always do, because I love handbag structures, and especially this classic piece has its own unique structure, which is so beautiful about it, and especially in the jumbo size. As you guys know, it's a double flap, which I absolutely love. I think those extra details, the CC here is just gorgeous. I love the compartments in there. You have a lipstick compartment there, 2 small pockets here, and then you have your little secret zipper pocket here where you could put some stuff in there. And then you have the big compartment, which will fit fairly a lot. And then you have a small compartment here, not so small, just a medium size. And then you have the back pocket. Yeah, it's just overall such a beautiful piece. It's lovely, and I love how the gold hardware on this is not a very, very gold. It's a very soft gold, I would say. And then the color, they called it light beige, but I would say that it's, I don't know, for me it's like a blush white or like a off-white. It's a color that I don't see often, and it is one of their special colors that is seasonal, and you probably won't see it as often. So when I saw this piece, I just thought, wow, this is a classic piece, and it comes in such a classic color that you won't come along just couldn't resist. All the great investment and a great piece if you'd like to see it age, become a vintage piece. I think it's always a profitable piece, and just a classic piece to have in your closet. Why not? So another thing though about this specific color, although it is the caviar leather, it's, you know, it is going to be prone to color transferring, and I do tend to wear a lot of dark colors, so it would look great on the outfit. You can use it in many different ways. It's such a classic piece. You could throw it over your shoulder. You can just hold it by the handles. You can also wear it as a crossbody. So I love a bag that could become a crossbody, even if it's a big bag. And I've actually been looking for a classic big bag. And as you guys know, the trend is coming back with big bags, and I remember how I used to love big bags. I don't know what I used to put so much of in my bags. I don't know how I used to fill them up, because nowadays I just kind of feel like I've gotten used to using smaller bags, and I've just not been really putting so much in my bags. So maybe this bag will make me put a lot and carry a lot with me. Hoarding 101. And what I like is that I have an edgy style to me, and I don't have like that traditional super classy Chanel look on me on a daily basis. So this piece, I could see myself wearing it with so many things. So that's the good thing about getting a bag that is a classic piece, because it's not like a bag that has a specific style that you would have to style with. So like I said, I have an edgy style to me at times, or a sporty, chill. Sometimes I could wear really classy. So yeah, this is definitely going to be something that will really match with everything that I wear, and that is always exciting. And also from the clip that I showed you guys before, you guys see how I styled it. It has like a little edge, some trend, and some classiness into the outfit, and some comfort as well. You can also just put it under your arm like this, since it is a larger bag. And I do see the trend. I am a bit worried about the color of this bag, because I do wear a lot of dark colors, like I said. And you know, I know you could wear this with every season, but I wouldn't recommend wearing this in the rain for sure. And I just don't know, guys. You guys, I feel like because I do wear so many dark tones, it is a little scary, because it will transfer color for sure, because I do have another Chanel bag that is like a raspberry red color, but it still does have some color transfer. I mean, every bag does, but can you imagine with this color? So I've been kind of debating if this is a bag that I will be keeping, because I did have my eye on another bag before I got this piece, and I will probably let you guys know if I end up keeping this or end up going and getting the initial bag that I wanted to get, and I'm going to keep that a secret. So but I will keep you guys updated. And also I do want to hear your guys's opinion on if I should keep this bag or not. I know a lot of people will probably say yes, because it's such a classical piece and it just will never ever fail, and the color as well. But in the practicality side, I don't know as much. So leave a comment down below. I want to hear what you guys have to say about this bag. Should I keep it? Should I not? Should I go back and change it to the bag that I was going to initially get, which I am on a wait list on, so still have some time to wait on. All right guys, so I will end this video now. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that has been supporting me and watching my videos, and I love getting messages from you guys telling me that you guys have been enjoying it. If you have been enjoying my video, hit that subscribe button and thumbs up and comment down below, and I always love connecting with you guys, so message me. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.